are going to discuss about transformations. In trigonometry, this has a wide range of applications. So many problems in trigonometry are solved by the techniques of in this chapter. Today we are learning some techniques and some formulas and some problems regarding to this topic, transformations. First of all, we have to know that sine of a plus b equal to, in earlier chapter we already know that what is sine of a plus b. Sine of a plus b means sine a cos b plus cos a sine b. Okay. And next thing you have to recall what is the formula for sine of a minus b. Sine a cos b minus cos a sine b. Right? Next, you have to observe what can derive from these two formulas. So, from these two formulas, we can add these two results together and we can subtract them and multiply them. So what happens? What are the results or what are the outcomes when you're going to adding these two quantities together? So the result would be sine of a plus b plus sine of a minus b is equal to. So this is positive quantity, this is negative quantity, both are cancelled. Sine a cos b occur two times here. So the result is 2 sine a cos b. This is most important. Next, what happens if we subtract from the first one to second one from the first one? So that what it is sine of a plus b minus sine of a minus b is equal to, signs change. Why? Because we are subtracting here. Sine of a plus b means sine a cos b plus cos a sine b. Subtracting. So what happens? Both these quantities are cancelled. Sign change here. So this become positive quantity. Cos a sine b plus cos a sine b. How much it is? 2 cos a sine b. Just copy these results. And next thing we have to know. I just performed here the addition of these two values and subtraction of these two values. The results are there. And what happens if we multiply these two quantities together? So just I am going to multiply these two quantities. Sine of a plus b into sine of a minus b is equal to. It is looking like nothing but, let us picturize this quantity is small a and this is small b. So now it is a plus b into a minus b is nothing but sine a square minus b square. That means this thing whole square minus this one whole square. So after doing some simplifications, you will get this result as sine square a minus sine square b. Or you can also have this result in terms of cos's as cos square b minus cos square a. Okay. Now copy these three results which we are going to use to solve the problems in this topic. Okay. Copy all this. Correct. Next thing, we just learned trigonometric angle sine. Now we are going to discuss cos values. So what is the, in earlier topics we already know that cos of a plus b is equal to cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. Okay, cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. And cos of a minus b is equal to cos a cos b plus sin a sin b. The same thing. In earlier, we just performed the addition, subtraction and multiplication with the use of sign values. Here I am going to operate the same techniques here also. So what are the outcomes if we perform addition of these two values and subtraction and multiplication? Let us start with addition. Cos of a plus b plus cos of a minus b. So that what it is adding these two quantities together. Here it is negative quantity and the positive quantity, so these are same, so they cancel. So what left here, 2 cos a cos b. So 2 times is there. So adding, we have 2 cos a cos b. Okay. What happens if we subtract? Cos of a plus b minus cos of a minus b is equal to, so subtraction means here you have to remember that, so the smallest angle first and greatest angle thereafter greatest angle. What is smallest angle? A plus b and comma a minus b. So out of these two angles, a plus b and a minus b, so which one is the greatest angle means the answer is a plus b. Yes, a plus b is more than a minus b, we all know that. So here it is a little bit a different one. So here we are performing cos of a minus b minus cos of a plus b. Okay. Why? Because cos is a decreasing function, so that cos 0 is 1 and cos 90 is 0. Okay. So, but the reason here we are performing like this operation. So cos of a minus b is this one, and we are subtracting this quantity from this. So signs change it, the result would be 2 sin a and sin b. And the last operation, multiplication. Cos of a plus b into cos of a minus b is equal to. So multiplication, same thing. So the result would be cos square a minus cos square a minus sin square b. Cos of a plus b into cos of a minus b is cos square a minus sin square b. So now copy all these results.